The Immersive Confined Space Training Simulator is the most innovative training solution that we've ever built. This unit allows for an immersive experience, which means we can bring training to life and have hazard props have to be mitigated, have vertical entry, horizontal entry. We've done this with a lightweight, easy-to-tow vehicle that allows us to be able to have more people train more often and make training better for everyone. I'm Chris Gantz. I'm the founder and CEO of JHB Group, the leader in public safety solutions and training innovation. So we call this the Immersive Confined Space Training Simulator. And the immersive component comes not only from the hazards that we're able to bring to life that integrates with our fire extinguisher training system, but also for the fact that we have a digital environment in there. So we took the innovation that comes from our fire safety simulators and put it into these confined space units. We can create a digital environment on the interior that allows us to then skin the room so it looks like a boiler room, a utility vault, a laboratory, whatever it might be, so that way we can really bring the training to life. The real difference with us here with this confined space training simulator is the fact that it allows for a lightweight mobile training platform. Instead of it being a heavy container, we have an aluminum construction trailer that allows for a quick setup, easy deployment, which means you're doing training more often. And that's one of the big uniquenesses with confined space training is it's usually a fixed facility or a real heavy unit. And this brings the best of both worlds together. This unit's built just like all of our other units with an advanced power system and even our non-penetrating roof mount. We've gone a little above and beyond here and in a positive way to make sure that we have an asset that actually can be used for a variety of environments, agencies, different training scenarios. JHB is a firefighter-owned and operated company where we specialize in public safety solutions and innovation for not only training, but also operational needs. We create out-of-the-box solutions, so let us know how we can take your specialty training to the next level.